Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of March 19th, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is Funniness. The Nonsense Show by Carle. Welcome, friends. Don't be slow. Step right up to the nonsense show. I'm too wet, said the bird. I can't fly. It's absurd. I'm too dry. How I wish I could swim, said the fish. Ouch! Who's that in my pouch? I'm seeking my tail. Can you see where it's gone? Hissed snake number 1. What a coincidence. Mine's missing too. Hissed snake number 2. I'm supposed to catch you, meowed the cat. Yes, squeaked the mouse. Of course that's true. But you must know we're at a nonsense show. Oh dear, look here. It says no gas. Alas! No gas? Don't worry. We're not in a hurry. What a funny looking ball, thought the tennis ace, and wound up with applesauce in her face. 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4, and after that, how many more? K.O. Okay. Get out of my house, said the dog. But where can I go, barked the man. For all that I care, you can fly to the moon, but go soon. And that's why we've now got a man in the moon, believe it or not. Upsy downsy, nice and straight, smile a mile. Bravo, that's great. Who's that I see? It can't be me. I'll tell you who. It looks like you. Let's trade hats, the rider said. But nay, nay, said the horse. Let's trade heads instead, okay? And so they did, of course. Hurry up, said Bottom. Wait for me, said Top. But they couldn't agree, so they never did stop. Would a tiger wish to swipe his stripe for a leopard spot? Certainly not. Why is Mr. Up, up? Why is Mrs. Down, down? It's not a mistake. It's just how they eat cake. This yellow rubber duck I found has feet for walking on the ground. But don't you think that this duck oughter get webbed feet to swim in water? Odd, preposterous, humbug, poppycock, surreal, rubbish, puzzling, strange, fiddle-faddle, baloney, tommyrot, ridiculous, absurd, foolish, out-of-place, bizarre, gibberish, weird, frivolity, balderdash, hokum, funny, hogwash, gobbledygook, twaddle. The end. We're going to make the two-headed snake like in the book. You'll need some paints. I'm using orange and yellow. You'll need some glue, paintbrush, and you can glue your snake together, but I'm going to use tape just because it's quicker. And your Craft to Go kit has 3 arches to make the snake. Two heads, 1 for each, and 4 eyeballs for the head. They're the googly eyes. There's only 3 there. Where's the 4th one? It's still in the bag. So first thing I'm going to do is put this together. Got my bag out of the way. Put my googly eyes aside. Like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and tape mine together because once you put the paint on, you're not going to be able to see it that much. But you can glue it and wait if you want. And you glue them so that they're curving in opposite directions. Some tape on the front. Put a little more on the back there. Oh, looks like I got something on there. So there's one, see how it curves? This one's going to curve back out. That. This way we don't have to wait for glue to dry. It's a little wrinkly in back, but that's okay because no one really sees the back. And I'm just going to glue the heads on. One going that way. I'm going to put some on the back too, just to make sure it's good and stuck. There's one. And let's see if I can move this down so you can see me doing the other one. That around there. And again, I'm going to do the back. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Here's the head. Go down the body. And back up the other body here. And can I see the other head? It's hard to do this upside down. But that's how we do it. And the next thing we're going to do is just go ahead and paint. So, oops, it's 4 o'clock. I'm going to paint this tongue orange. I'm going to paint his head yellow. There's some orange still in it. I think that looks kind of cool. And you're just going to do this, go down the whole line of the snake. I'm going to give it some stripes. You're going to like some orange next. Get it into the yellow next. And I'm just going to do this until I get to the other head. And then I'll come back and we'll get the eyeballs on. Okay, now it's all painted. Trying to get some of the paint off my fingers. The next thing we're going to do is glue the eyeballs on. So you can get your glue open, that is. Very nice. We're going to put a couple of dots here. And I probably used way too much. I'm just going to drop the eyeball on there. Remember that glue dries clear, so it shouldn't be too bad. Even though I put so much on there, I'm going to do the same to the other side, and that's it. This is what my snake looks like. He's got that, he's got the body, goes around there, goes back down there, comes up to the other head, and that's it.